Hello, welcome to SAS Media Studio. Well, in this video I will be teaching you how you can create your blogging website for free, okay, completely for free. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, just give a comment at the comment section. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel so that whenever we upload a video you will be notified, okay, and also like the video as a way of showing appreciation. Now there's no time to waste, let's go. Okay, welcome to Blogger. So this is the website where is going to help us to create our wonderful and professional looking website, okay, and you can use it professionally, okay, but I don't recommend this for a professional blogging career, okay. If you're a beginner, it's cool for you, but if you are a professional professional blogger, I prefer you go for WordPress, okay. So now I'll leave the link at the description down below so that you check it out, okay. And if you don't know how to create a WordPress website, there is a good team on sasmediagh.com that can help you. So you just check the link at the description down below, www.sasmediagh.com, and we are going to create it wonderfully for you. So now for my friends beginners, now let's proceed. Now you have to just click on create your blog. After you've clicked on the link at the description down below, you'll be redirected here. Just click on create your blog. So that is it. So you need to sign in to Blogger, okay. Now remember that Blogger belongs to Google, okay, so we need a Google account in order to access blogger.com. I hope you understand. So I created in my previous two videos, I created Gmail account without phone number. So if you want to check that video out, just check at the top there, you will see my card, okay, and you can just check at the description down below, you find the link also there. So that is official. So you enter your password as well. Okay, so not now. Okay, so as you can see, you can choose a name for your blog, okay. So in my previous video I taught how to choose better SEO business name, okay. So we are going to use those names, generated names, to help create our blog. So this was the names I got, okay. So I have Relic Music, so I'm going to use Relic Music. So Relic Music, copy Relic Music. So we are going to create a blog, okay. That's we are going to put the Relic Music, okay. Next, so we are going to put in Relic Music over here, omit the capital, then the space, then let's wait. So as you can see, this blog address is not available. That means someone has used this blog website, okay, this name. So you are going to choose another name, Music Star. And this too is not available, so let's add S to it and see. Music Stars, not available. Let's add Z to it. Is also not available. Let's add X to it. X is also not available. So let's go to the new name. Okay, so you have the Music Lab. Is also not available. Let's add S. Not available. Let's add Z. So we are going to use that. As you can see, Music Labs, this blog address is available, okay. So now we can use musiclabs.com. so now let's go back and go and change this to Music Lab. So you copy this, Music Lab. So we are going to give a space. Here should be capital, here should also be capital. Okay, so next, so this is the domain name you are going to use, the musiclabs.com .blogspot.com. okay, then click on save. So congratulations, we have been able to create our website. Okay, so now this is how our website looks like. So now this is the new look of our website. Okay, so in our next video we will be talking about how you can customize the look of our website so that it will look professional. Okay, and we are going to also talk about how to make blog posts and other stuff. Okay, so subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, and just give a thumb up. Okay, when you click on the notification icon, you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, so we see you next time.